Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to listen to my presentation. My name is Yasuharu Nishi. Please call me Nishi. Today, I will demystify quality management for large-scale manufacturing to you modern testers. I hope you will get some insight to shift yourselves from tester to good QA engineer and manager. First, please let me introduce myself. My primary work is a university professor on software testing and QA. My secondary work is a consultant on software testing and QA for various companies, automotive, industrial automation, consumer electronics, medical devices, and so on, in over 20 years experience. And I'm a serial community founder in Japan. I founded a mailing list, big conference, volunteer organization, Japanese ISTQB board, and ISO domestic committee. In addition, I'm originally from Japanese TQM community. It's like a mafia. But I'm not a godfather, I'm just a good fella. Okay. How good or bad impression do you have about Made in Japan? Maybe you have a vague impression that Japanese hardware manufacturers achieve high quality. But why so high quality? Because they have established set of principles of quality management. First, it's called TQM, Total Quality Management. Second, it's Toyota Production System, and Taguchi methods and so on. Based on these principles, Japanese manufacturers made their own quality management frameworks. Today, I will introduce TQM to you. Back to 1947, just after World War II. Japanese companies and factories were completely destroyed, so people struggled to manufacture higher quality products. Then, who came to Japan? Superman? Batman? Iron Man? Captain America? No. Dr. Deming. He came to Japan to teach statistical quality control to Japanese factories. And Dr. Juran came to Japan in 1954. He taught company-wide application of concepts of quality control. Based on Dr. Deming and Juran's seminar, Japan's quality began to grow up, led by Dr. Kaoru Ishikawa. Dr. Ishikawa constructed TQM principles, formerly called TQC, expanding concepts taught by Dr. Deming and Dr. Juran. Dr. Ishikawa organized TQM mafia in Japan, so Dr. Ishikawa is the godfather of TQM mafia in Japan. Do you know Dr. Kano? He is very famous for the Kano model, even in software development. Dr. Kano was a student of Dr. Ishikawa, and Dr. Kano is now a famous great guru in TQM mafia. This picture is the history of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is an origin of agile development. Dr. Deming, Dr. Juran, and Dr. Ishikawa played a very important role in lean manufacturing. So you can find concepts of TQM will be similar to agile development. Okay. Boring history lecture is finished. Let me introduce concepts of TQM in Japan. In next slide. Oh my god! It's all in Japanese. I'm sorry. These are concepts of TQM in Japan in English, but a little too many. So I'm summarize them into 4 concepts. These are mindsets in high quality manufacturers in Japan, I think. If you want to be a good quality assurance engineer and manager in software team, you should install these mindsets in yourself. First, you should journey into quality forever. Second, you should try to make everyone perseveringly smarter. Third, you must enhance confidence. At last, please nestle weakness. Okay, let's start to install the mindsets to you. There is an important question. What is quality? In software development, people often say, only users can judge quality. And Jerry Weinberg said, quality is value to some person. Maybe you like this Weinberg's definition. But Japanese TQM thinks all qualities matter. Amazing. It's conflict. Japanese TQM thinks all quality matter means quality of products, quality of work, quality of services, quality of information, quality of process, quality of organization, quality of people from front lines to executives, quality of system, quality of policy, quality of management, and so on. So, quality assurance people in Japan think exhaustively what quality and whose quality should we think. And there is another important question. Do users know quality they want? Actually, not a single answer. It's a very difficult question. Do users know quality? Of course. Japanese manufacturers has constructed process of getting feedbacks from users. Do users know quality? Yes. But as immediate feedback is technically impossible due to hardware, so they have simulated users. Do users know quality? Partly no. Users sometimes say, "Oh, I have never imagined such a product. I really want this." And do users know quality? No. Users can't know internal quality like product line friendly architecture. For the first answer, of course, Japanese manufacturers has constructed process of getting feedback from customers by customer support division, marketing division, or sometimes quality assurance division. You have seen a similar figure. For the second answer, yes. 20 years ago, some consumer electronics company built a house in its factory, and quality assurance engineers lived in this house as various simulated families. The factory quality assurance engineer said, "Hi, good morning, honey. How about coffee? Is it strange?" No, they were very serious. But now, manufacturers can use IT technologies. Some Japanese manufacturers have already constructed or are starting to construct IT-based large feedback cycles. Some construction, mining, and agriculture machinery companies automatically collect field data and use them to improve their machine and their customers' business. Some automotive companies have started to build CI/CD, continuous improvement, continuous delivery, and DevOps cycles with real-world driving data. And some companies have begun to apply Scrum-like iterative hardware development with modular hardware design. For the third answer, partly no, and the last answer no. Japanese quality manufacturers struggle to realize all qualities in the long term. Of course, they have to make compromise and trade-offs temporarily, but they have a strong will to realize all qualities in the long term by continuous kaizen. Kaizen is the word meaning improvement in Japanese, by continuous kaizen and innovation. Compromise and trade-off and all qualities in the long term. It's conflict. In order to realize all qualities in the long term, you QA people always walk around and do whatever is necessary for quality. To talk to all stakeholders, to understand them, to make all people understand each other, to make all people think quality is everyone's mission, and to make all people realize all qualities. It's never-ending journey of us quality assurance people. It's a never-ending journey. Long journey. Let's move on the presentation. Japanese TQM thinks all quality matter. It includes quality of organization and people. So, quality assurance people should ensure the organization makes itself perseveringly smarter by involvement with everyone, by good teamwork, by the concept of internal customers, and by multi-layered feedback cycles and front-loading. In addition, quality assurance people should ensure people make themselves perseveringly smarter. Japanese TQM says people will get perseveringly smarter in their journey into quality, and so Japanese TQM includes methodologies which make people perseveringly smarter, such as statistics, 5 whys, 5 game methodology, and anti-patterns, and so on. From the organization view, in order organization makes itself perseveringly smarter, you should realize 4 mechanisms. First one is involvement with everyone. Do you know Benjamin Franklin? He is living in 100 US dollar notes. He is Benjamin Franklin. I'm changing a little of his saying. Like Benjamin Franklin. Beware of little unconcern about quality. A small leak will sink a great ship. Yes, it's very important to involve everyone. You should break silos of, oh, I'm a developer, so quality isn't my business. You should break that silo. And silos are not limited to developers. Your tester might be in your silo. Second one is teamwork. Peer work or mob work will encourage people to kaizen, improve quality by cross conversations. Mob kaizen is called quality circle in TQM. Third one is internal customers. Your next process knows a lot of things to kaizen your process. If you treat your next process as customers, you will be encouraged to kaizen improve your process. The last one is multi-layered feedback cycles. Japanese quality manufacturers maintain several layers of feedback cycle, such as whole business layer, such as by building lean and open organization. Interdivisional layer, such as concurrent engineering. Neighborhood process layer, such as front loading or shift left. And single process layer, such as by mob kaizen or quality circle. Okay, let's go back. From the people view, in order people makes themselves perseveringly smarter, feedback or shift left would be a good way. But how can you succeed in feedback or shift left? Start early is all you need. One way for successful feedback or shift left is to give insight. But without any methodology, you could just make a shallow idea. You cannot get insight. TQM Japan provides methodologies to extract insights, statistics, 5 whys, 5 game methodology, and anti-patterns. Statistics make insights from iterative work, for example, mass production, but statistics sometimes give wrong impressions. It's conflict. 5 whys. Why is one approach for a root cause analysis. Multiple whys guides essential causes and insights, but too many whys will lead meaningless causes. For example, because we are human being. It's a meaningless cause. It's conflict. Okay, last one. 5-game methodology. It's difficult to explain because gen is the first syllable of Japanese word genba, genbutsu, genjitsu, genri, gensok. It's a set of words to help to extract insights by shaking abstraction level. Genba, genbutsu, genjitsu order you to think concretely. And genri, gensoku order you to think abstractly. So 5 gen means shake your abstraction level of thinking. Shake. Abstract, concrete. It's conflict. So you can find all of extracting insights. Need conflicts. And one more conflict. There's 2 kinds of insights: positive insights and negative insights. Positive insights are patterns how you can succeed. For example, design patterns in software development, model view controller, and so on. Negative insights are patterns how you will fail. For example, bad code smells in software development, as you know. Developers will avoid, hate, and forget negative insights. But we QA people should focus on, reuse, and love negative insights. This is conflict too. In other words, negative insight is called anti-pattern. Anti-patterns matter to us quality assurance people. Japanese quality manufacturers store and reuse anti-patterns. For example, various failure modes for FMEA, which is far from Western FMEA. It's a Japanized FMEA. And they store and reuse bad design patterns in 3D CAD computer-aided design system. Look at this picture. This is a typical example of anti-patterns in design of toilet. Please remember, I'm a software QA consultant. I'm a software people. My colleague and I have maintained a lot of negative insights. It's called software trap. It shows bug-prone requirement or design. Okay, I give you a gift, a takeaway. I introduce Rip Van Winkle trap. Rip Van Winkle trap. Do you know Rip Van Winkle? It's an American short story written in 1819. The outline of the story is: after Rip returned from a walk into a mountain, everything is changed. To summarize, no problem. We analyzed and extracted the trap from several actual bugs as process that requires physical time and forked from short-lived process. We lost the original execution point. That means, in short words, GPF, General Protection Fault. One of Rip Van Winkle bug is in automotive GPS software, eject disk process that forked from navigation process cannot return and fails by general protection faults because navigation process ends during mechanical disk ejection movement. And in the same project, in different projects, and in different companies, we have detected a lot of bugs in different functions on the same pattern, on the same Rip Van Winkle pattern. And we have used the pattern to avoid the same kind of bugs. This is a powerful negative insight for QA people. Okay, up to now, you have met several conflicts. Conflict is a good source of insight. So, you quality assurance people should embrace conflicts. Embrace conflicts. Embrace conflicts. Still, there are two important concepts in TQM left. You quality assurance people should enhance confidence. Test and process cannot assure quality. Although expert testers can do their best, exhaustive testing is impossible. Process tends to be bureaucratic, though people there know it's bureaucratic. So, feeling of confidence is very important. When everyone gains confidence in doing the best, and when they know others did the best each other, quality assurance work will succeed. They can achieve as high quality as they can. Insight can increase confidence. And please care, discomfort, and uneasiness. They are signs of lack of confidence. Our mission is to gain and keep everyone's core confidence. Testing and process are not a mission, just tools. Testing is a melting pot of insights extracted and created by everyone. Process is a tool to share insight with everyone. Testing and process is very important, but it's just a tool. In other words, mission of us quality assurance people is to circulate and expand insight in people and organization, to gain and keep everyone's core confidence. This is the last concept today of TQM in Japan. Nestle weakness. Alexander Pope said, "To err is human." Human being has bounded rationality. Everyone is imperfect. Everyone is weak. There are no perfect developers, no perfect Scrum Masters, no perfect product owners. And it's very, very difficult for almost everyone alone to overcome their own weakness. Penalty or punishment doesn't work or doesn't avoid any failure. Don't throw bug information to make developers fix it. Don't throw. Instead, please talk to developers who made bugs. Talk. Please ask them if they had confidence. Please listen to reasons why they couldn't feel or tell you discomfort or uneasiness. And support them in extraction of negative insight. Please trust them. Please, nestle weakness. Based on TQM mindset, what are differences between quality assurance and tester? As you may have found in this presentation, mindsets in high-quality manufacturers in Japan are very similar to mindsets in modern testing and agile testing. So, agile testing quadrants could be expanded to quality assurance quadrants like this figure. Business facing to journey into quality forever, technology facing to enhance core confidence, critique product to nestle weakness, guide development to make everyone perseveringly smarter. Okay, this is the last slide today. I'm a 20 years experienced tester. I love testing. I love testing very much. Testing is very, very important work for quality. But quality assurance work needs various things other than testing. If you need non-testing activities for quality, will you be not hesitated to step outside from testing? If you are hesitated, you are chained to testing activities. Please do whatever is necessary for quality in your long journey for quality. Please make everyone perseveringly smarter. Technically, you should construct multi-layered feedback cycles and extract anti-patterns, negative insights. Please enhance core confidence. Don't make everyone compliant to rules, standards, and processes. And please nestle weakness. Please talk to developers who made a bug. Please ask them if they had confidence. Please listen to reasons why they couldn't tell you discomfort or uneasiness. I hope you will be a excellent quality assurance engineer or manager. I hope. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much.